In today's fast-moving investment world, mutual funds are the bridge between opportunity and financial growth. The NISM Series 5 A certification empowers distributors with the expertise, ethics, and confidence to guide investors responsibly. Brought to you by iCapital Academy, where knowledge builds trust. Founded in Mumbai in 2020, iCapital Academy and Corporate Advisory LLP has emerged as a leading force in financial education and advisory services. We provided training for NISM certifications and financial market programs through online, self-paced, and classroom formats tailored for working professionals and students alike. Our expertise extends beyond education into research, project finance, personal finance, and structured advisory services that drive client success. Established by SEBI, the National Institute of Securities Markets sets the benchmark for professional excellence in India's financial sector. Its certifications ensure that every advisor, distributor, and intermediary upholds the highest standards of competence and investor protection. This certification helps you understand mutual fund structures, fund types, investor profiling, and financial goal planning. It teaches you how to evaluate schemes, recommend suitable funds, and ensure compliance with SEBI and AMFI regulations. The course covers every aspect of mutual funds, from investor psychology and legal structure to valuation, taxation, and fund performance. It builds the technical and ethical foundation needed to serve investors confidently in India's evolving mutual fund landscape. This program is ideal for mutual fund distributors, AMC and bank employees, wealth advisors, and aspiring finance students. It's the perfect start for professionals seeking credibility, growth, and investor trust. The examination consists of 100 multiple-choice questions to be completed in 2 hours. With a 50% passing score and no negative marking, it offers a fair and practical pathway to your NISM certification. Join iCapital Academy today and become a certified mutual fund distributor. Enhance your skills, earn investor confidence, and build a rewarding career in India's growing financial markets.